today I'm going to show you guys how to pronounce, write, and say the numbers in Pashto. So repeat after me. 1 is basically like an alif. The next one is a 2, which is basically an alif with a curve on the right. The next one is a 3, which is basically an alif with 2 curves on the right. The next one is a 4, which is basically an ayin, and then an alif next to it. And then the next one is a 5, which is basically written like a hair. And the next one is a 6, which is basically like the 2 right here, but the curve on the left. And the next one is a 7, which is basically a V shape. And the next one is an 8, which is basically an upside down V. And the next one is a 9, which is basically in a 9 shape. And the next one is a 10, which the 10 or the 1 right here is like this alif, and the dot right here represents the 0. So now I'm going to tell you guys how to pronounce these numbers in Pashto. So repeat after me. Yo, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we will practice more on these, and in our next video I am going to start from 21 to 40. So make sure you guys practice on these a lot, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!